First Minister, should it be the case that patients from Wales could be sat in the same hospital being seen by the same consultant as a patient living in England and being told by that consultant you will have to wait considerably longer because you are a Welsh patient? Should that be the case, even though that consultant would also confirm to the patient that there is capacity to see them much, much earlier? Now, First Minister, you tell us that one of your priority areas, your 4 priority areas, is reducing NHS waiting lists. So given that this is your priority, given that ultimately you are responsible for ensuring that Welsh patients are treated in a timely manner, I would assume you will not tell me that this is somebody else's responsibility. Will you provide Powys Teaching Health Board with the financial support they require to avoid their planned increases in cross-border treatment waiting times, or instruct them that this simply is not acceptable?
Thank you very much. So, as you know, as a government, we've got a real focus on bringing, in particular, those long waiting lists down, and we expect Powys to play its part in that as well. It is not acceptable for a situation like that you pictured, you painted to occur. I'm pleased to see that the board is taking its responsibility seriously in terms of the need of behaving seriously when it comes to balancing the books. But I'm also very pleased to see that they have deferred the decision on this matter, and I'm sure that conversations will continue with the Welsh Government.
Diolch i'r Prif Weinidog.